You can look for food, so hungry. What is that? Oh, no more. Pizza, fun. 15 pesos for like bowls, 30 for cups, 40 for like containers.
Alright.
Let's see what he's selling. How much things cost? Galletitas, oh, 180. It doesn't smell like pork, it smells very... Oh, popcorn! It's how much? 20 pesos per bag of popcorn. Hello. ¿Cuánto cuesta el pan? ¿Cuánto? ¿El costo? ¿Tres?
Perfecto. ¿Podemos comprar pan? A las 3. Oh, a las 3. ¿Cuánto cuesta? 3.50. 3.50.
Oh. Okay, another restaurant. We've got some pork again.
Yeah.
This is the MLC store. And to replenish the coffee over here. Okay, go. These are collecting at the hood.
Oh, really?
No.
Oh, what was that? Where did that come from? Well, we found our other mosquito repellent.
Good. Where are they going? That's it?
Well, it wasn't that much, huh?
Yeah. Okay, we can start the process. Coffee! You want that hot coffee, right?
Yeah, look at that. Oh, wow. What a waste.
I know.
We're gonna replenish it when we get back.
How?
I have an idea.
What?
We're gonna wet the shirt that has the coffee, and then we're gonna strain it. And then we're gonna strain it.
That's so gross. It's gross. So with your sweat, so it's gonna taste salty?
No, that's a clean shirt.
No way.
A mí me das una limonada frappe.
One pina colada.
Una piña colada. Yeah. That's good. How is it?
Very good.
That's good. I like it.
¿Cómo se llama este pescado?
Pepper.
Pespero.
Pepper. Fish, dogfish.
Oh. Okay, I want to stay here longer. I don't want to leave the island anymore. Oh, look at that. Oh. Okay, we finally get to try spelunk.
Oh, that's good.
Oh. It's really good. This is like fried fish steak.
¿Una para ti?
Chao, gracias.
Ponga para ti.
Gracias.
Muchas gracias.
Oh, I'm so excited.
Half a chicken.
That's a lot. Okay, I'm gonna try the fish first. Oh my god, the fish is amazing.
Yeah.
Okay, the chicken's amazing. Oh my god, we can't believe this. It's so good.
Oh, what?
It's so soft.
Damn. That's good.
It's not even tough at all. It's like super tender, super smooth, and super flavorful. We just came out of the gym. We asked two ladies whether we can, like, where we can find fruits on the island. They said
There's no fruits anywhere because
anywhere.
Hurricane Ian ate all the fruits.
But then, like, just a few seconds later, we found this guy with the pineapple crust. Yeah,
And it's
100
a bit
pesos.
expensive. Yeah, last time we paid 50
Yeah,
pesos
now it's
for
100 pesos each.
100, yeah.
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 But what to do?
What to do, what to do.
We're on the
Yeah,
island.
I know.
El ajo, el comino, la cebolla, aprovecha que ya me voy, ya llegó el pregonero, ya llegó. aprovecha que ya me voy. Compré la buena piña, la cebolla, el ajo, el comino, el pregón. Aprovecha que ya me voy, ya.
Muy bien. ¿Qué quieres decir?
¿Cuándo llegaron a la isla? ¿Cuándo llegaron?
Hoy, anoche.
La isla tranquila, bueno.
Sí, está bonito aquí.
La discoteca buena por la noche.
Para bailar salsa.
Salsa.
Okay.
¿Usted dónde usted vive?
¿Aquí o mi país?
No, en tu país, sí, tu país.
¿Dónde vive?
¿Singapur?
Sí, Japón. Japón.
No, Singapur es un país abajo de Japón.
Sí, Japón. Ah, Japón.
Singapur, sí.
Ah. Gracias a ustedes que me compraron piñas, que Dios las bendiga, y el amor, y en el futuro, ustedes son unas bellas personas como Cuba. Entonces, le agradezco a ustedes que me compraron y a la población. Muchas gracias y que tengan algún día buen viaje para su país.
Gracias.
Mi nombre
Gracias.
es Hanoi Llopis
Hanoi.
Pérez.
Okay. Mucho gusto.
Somos amigos.
Sí, somos amigos.
Muchas gracias.
Oh.
Chao.
Ciao. You want to buy one more though?
Yeah, of course, yeah.
So he's like a boxing guy. Wow. He was a champion of 1981.
1981
Wow.
in Germany. ¿Y qué es tu récord?
¿Eh?
Tu récord de ganados y perdidas.
Sí.
89 ganadas y 8 perdidas.
89 wins, 8 losses.
Wow. Muy impresivo. Oh. Is he going to cut a coconut now? Oh, I knew it. I knew the coconut was going to come from a tree. Oh.
What?
No. He's going to climb?
So we just ordered some coconuts.
Okay. Something's going to happen. No. Oh, shit.
Oh, I'm scared of that.
I'm scared too. It is completely high. Oh. Okay. What? No way. No. Oh shit, one just dropped. Whoa.
That's pretty funny.
Machete.
Sí,
¿Cómo le dice tu país?
Machete.
machete también. Oh, he's gonna carve the coconut.
Buscar de masa más. Ahí no hay más.
Oh man, that looks so good. My mouth is watering.
I'm so thirsty right now after
Me
the
too.
gym.
Para que tú me.
Oh, gracias. What?
Bueno.
Sí, muy dulce. It's very, very sweet.
Agua natural.
Oh, Dios mío.
Oh, I have.
Ah,
You try it first. It's too hot. I have to eat it.
doesn't have coconut flavor.
Yeah, it's different. It just tastes a bit like oily.
For me, it tastes like an almond,
Mm.
right?
Según el terreno ahí,
Mm.
ya 4 años, 5 años. ¿Viste? Sí. Eso es según el terreno.
4 to 5
4
years.
to 5 years. ¿Y cuántos años siguen produciendo?
No, ya después toda una vida. Toda una vida eso ahí es par y par, ¿no? Ahí se pare hasta que muere ya. Pero años. Y ni los ciclones, ni cualquiera ahí, para acá, para allá, y siguen ahí, pero no se caen ni nada.
Okay, so we have, this is the bistec, right?
Yeah, that's a steak de cerdo and then the lonja.
Lonja. Okay, I'm going to try the lonja first. Oh my god, the lonja is so good. soft. How's the biscuit?
Oh, that's good. The frita and
Salchicha.
chicha hot dog. It tastes like a normal hot dog. It's weird, huh?
It's very
Processed.
no, very soft, very steamed, very and not substantial. Okay, I want one to be under.
You're good.
Mm.